I've got a lot of hairspray.
Lots of Girl Scouts.
You're going by the
That's all.
because you don't have hairspray.
No!
I did move that.
I wish I could tame the flame.
Wait, there's too many.
Yeah, they're all fired up.
I've got so much hairspray in my hair.
So it'd be very nice, okay, if like two on this
My
side
hair's
stand
gonna catch on
sideways,
fire.
Stand sideways, and you two stand sideways, and then we go.
Taylor's
sorry.
just gonna go on fire.
Go ahead. Friend.
Yeah, probably.
That's all right. That's all right. You ladies take the pictures.
Wait.
No,
This is good.
Here's Friend.
Thank you, dog. Let them do their pictures first, then.
Why don't we move those chairs out of the way?
That's I can work it. I can work around it.
Close eyes.
Like him slide.
Are you still filming? Oh, I'm still filming.
Are we ready? Oh.
Why do I feel like we're going to a wedding?
We are.
Nice
Because I'm
smile,
getting
looking
married
right
to
at me.
Kristen.
Nice smile,
Yeah.
eyes open, eyes open. There's one. Okay. Nice smile, eyes open. One more.
I'm afraid I want to close my eyes.
Don't do that.
This is
Okay.
what I would be wearing.
Bye, honey.
Yeah. Tammy.
Yes, bye.
Bye, Tammy.
I'm filming everybody leaving. Bye, have fun.
I'm gonna leave lipstick on your cheek.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, you have a kiss mark.
No, I'll save it forever.
Good. Bye.
Bye.
Go to prom.
Fun,
See ya.
fun.
Bye.
It is like a wedding.
Best of luck. Yeah. Keep in touch, even just a postcard.
One man and 4 wives.
Yeah. It's a new series.
Yeah. New series. It's a reality TV
The polygamous prom. What is this? What do they do?
They're gonna be freezing tonight.
Yeah.
No, but they'll come out and it'll be so hot.
Dancing
Yeah. And then they just have to go to the car.
No cross warnings tonight, right?
They're practicing the chicken and the penguin dance.